Oh no! Oh wait, I did it.
Vibrates there.
Oh! What's up guys, it's Laura, and this is Intern'd. I take you to the coolest internships to help you figure out what it is you want to do with your life. Today, I'm at LUSH headquarters in Toronto, and this is where they make all your favorite bath bombs, your lip scrubs, your face masks, literally everything a Lushie could die for. I'm going to be making a super exclusive special bath bomb that is dropping literally right now, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So let's go.
Today we'll be making Madam President Bath Bomb, and this bomb is an exclusive for Mother's Day. This is for all of us women who want to either run for president or prime minister. So I have a new presser starting with me today that I'm excited to meet. Her goal today for Madam President is going to be to press 57 pieces in an hour. That's a tall order.
Hello!
It's so good to meet you.
So nice to meet you. I'm so excited to be here
Awesome.
today.
We're gonna make Madam President.
Those are so pretty.
Yes. So we're gonna be making that. You're gonna make some mixes and then you're gonna press it.
Ooh. So I actually press it?
Hand press. We're handmade cosmetics.
I am thrilled to make this.
You wanna join the team?
Yes, I want to be official. It has my name on it.
Head off to the change room, throw your shirt on, and I'll see you back here.
Perfect.
So the first thing we're gonna do is make a color solution. So we have our blue color.
This is purple.
Oh, that's the way it looks right now. But there's some magic involved. So you're gonna pour that hot water. And then you're gonna take the spoon and you're gonna keep mixing it so all that powder dissolves. So that's our color solution.
Whoa.
And in there, get those hands dirty. This is the first step in all of our components, all of our pieces for Madam President, and that's making your luster and your color solution and adding it to our sodium bicarbonate. Do you want to turn our Hobart on, our mixer?
Yes, I do.
Come on over.
Oh.
And hit the start button.
Okay.
And just like your grandfather's really old car, it's got a clutch, so you're gonna bring that down to 1.
Oh,
all the way.
It's a little heavier than I thought.
We want to make sure that we're putting the right fragrance, the right oils into the
Got
product.
it, got it, okay. It smells like Madam President.
Like Madam President.
So now I just pour it?
Oh, not yet.
Okay.
Compounders only.
Okay, my thoughts and feelings about not being able to pour in the essential oils that are sacred to Lush. I was super disappointed. Oh man.
I'm the only one who can pour it, so I can have you do everything but touch
that.
This. This is sacred.
Just
for us.
smell it. So no
Just
interns
smell it.
allowed. But I got to actually pour it into the mixture. I didn't get to measure it out, which is like super classified and secretive and like CIA status, but what you gonna do?
We'll carry it over here. Now we'll take a look at how you did.
Okay.
We take it out and we do a swatch like that. And if there are no color spots, you did perfect.
I can't even explain the work that goes into making these bath bombs is so intricate and fun and meaningful. Raise my bowl. Do I have to keep holding it?
You're gonna go till it vibrates. There,
Oh.
you're good.
Whoa.
When you work at LUSH, you can't have a fear of glitter at all.
What's this?
This is the titanium.
When I first came in, I got this amazing shirt and they offered me a hair tie. I have like a hair on my face, can you see it? And I didn't think I needed a hair tie, but I needed a hair tie. The whole time I was like, I wanted my hair to look good, but your hair cannot look good when you are working so damn hard. Whoa, look at that.
Isn't it gorgeous? Our very last step is adding bubble mix.
Ooh, bubble mix.
So this has a mild surfactant in it.
A mild, huh?
Surfactant. So that's what creates suds and bubbles.
Don't spill it. So now I just dump this in?
Yeah.
Start. And I got the one hand down now.
Beautiful.
Aw, thanks. So far what I've learned is that just like there are a lot of changing of the guards, there are a lot of changing of the gloves. So every time you like dip a different color or you get dye on your hands, you change your gloves because you don't want it to get all over all the equipment. So do your thing, girl, money, make it roll. What you got, pop, lock, and drop it. Then Pinch introduces me to this big bag that looks like a bag of flowers. She's like, okay, dump it in there. I go to lift it up and it was 50 pounds. I was not expecting it and I literally had to put my entire body weight into it in order to lift it and pour it in this big kitchen bowl. You really gotta put your whole body into this. Ooh, I did it, I did it. When I was compounding, I was lifting all this stuff. It was super heavy. I was dragging the big mixing bowls all the way to the mixer, lugging it down, picking it up, putting the paddle on the mixer Hobart thing, and that paddle is weirdly really heavy.
Our 4 mixes are done, and do you know what that means?
What does it mean?
We gotta press.
True.
So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna meet Carly and Jordan, and we're gonna be pressing with them because the job's only half done now.
I finished making all the mixtures and Pinch takes me over to the table where Jordan and Carly are working away, just pressing bath bombs, making it look super easy. It's not that easy. And it took me a few tries to actually get the technique down and make a bath bomb that didn't fall apart.
You can kind of lift it up, look at it. All your stars are missing.
Oh
You
no,
covered them
all my stars are missing.
So you can just dump that right out, and then you'll have to try it again.
This is a lot harder than it looks. No joke. 1 star here.
Other way there.
Oh.
Other face the front.
I already messed up. I was super frustrated in the beginning because I thought it would be so easy. I'd just be like packing this together super easily, and that wasn't the case. Jordan, I'm feeling a little bit defeated. I don't think I did that well on the blue side.
It's actually not that bad. Like when I press it together, it kind of all the mix falls into place and it looks pretty good.
Oh my gosh, you can actually see the star. Then the hard work didn't stop there. First, pressing it, you really have to put all your muscles into it. And I had just an arms and abs day and my arms are so sore. And now they're even more sore because I was going like this for like so long. Moment of truth. I'm scared.
It's not
I
gonna
just
fall
go like
out.
that?
If it does, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Oh no! No!
So if you like shift it too much, it kind of falls apart. Yeah. Perfect. Oh.
Oh no, what is happening?
Okay, let's try another one.
I really wasn't cut out for this. So I had to learn, get better, keep practicing, and by the 60th bath bomb at the end of the hour, I feel like I really got it down.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Finally did my first bath bomb. Woo-hoo!
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah?
I think you're doing a pretty good job. We already finished a crate, and since you
Yay!
only have to make 57 an hour, you've made 60.
What?
Yeah.
I pressed 60 in an hour. Go me.
So we're not done yet.
Okay.
So we've compounded the mix.
Yes.
You have pressed the mix.
Yes.
But it's still got to get to the stores, which means we have to pack the mix.
I went to bring the crate and lift it up, and again, to my surprise, it's super heavy, and Pinch was a huge help, and she helped me carry it over to the packing station.
So now we have to unmold. So
Okay.
you're going to just unmold your gorgeous Madam President. You're going to throw the molds there and place it in the box. Ready to go.
Amazing. They are so pretty. I can't believe I made a bath bomb at Lush. My favorite part of the day was when Pinch actually surprised me and she said, let's write a little note to whoever opens this. The storefront workers at Lush work super hard, so she said it's nice to always give them a little note. What should I write? So we wrote "With love" from Laura and Pinch. I feel so accomplished and like I'm giving something with so much like love and care to someone. I just
That's
feel
the
some type of
intention.
way.
Excellent. That's the intention, that
Yeah.
we put the best of ourselves in our product.
That's for sure. You guys really do. And I feel like I did that today.
You did.
Yeah.
Madam President from start to finish.
Wow.
You did it.
I
From
did it.
compounding to sending to a store.
I seriously now feel like I could do anything.
I think you could.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, I think you did. All of the women in manufacturing and the women that we created this balm for proud.
Aw, thank you. That means so much to me.
How do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. In the beginning, it was really, really fun to make all the mixes and learn about all like the chemistry that goes behind it. And once I got to the pressing, I was super shocked about how hard it actually is. And then I got to pack it and ship it off with love from both of us. So that was the best part of the day.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm
and now we
super
get
stoked.
to pack you up and send you off with love, with hopes that you come back and visit.
So when it comes time for Christmas and you guys are doing your hiring,
Yes.
would you hire me?
Absolutely.
I am so excited I cannot contain myself. My box is about to arrive from Lush with the bath bombs that I made with my own 2 hands.
Laura, your bath bombs are here.
Yay! Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. I made this. Wow. They turned out so much nicer than I thought they would. You guys, I made these with my 2 beautifully, still amazingly manicured hands. And as amazing as unboxing all this stuff is, I'm more excited to drop this in a bowl of water and get the true bath bomb experience. So let's get this big mama out of the way and trade these for this big bowl of water. Ooh, it's nice and warm. It's gonna make these bath bombs. I'm really curious to see how the glitter and the stars dissolve in the water, if you can actually see that happening. And I'm super excited to see what color all of this turns out to be. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Just the sound of the bath bomb dissolving is so calming. I am wishing that this bath bomb didn't drop in this bowl, but it dropped in a bath with me in it, because this is just so beautiful and calming. And the smell, oh my gosh, I wish you could smell through the camera because it is so divine. The bath bomb is obviously pigmented and colorful, but it's really colorful even when it hits the water and starts dissolving. Look, you could see the star. It's bursting. The coolest part about this glitter is that 1, it's freaking awesome, and 2, it's not gonna clog your drain because it's made of synthetic mica. So, good for the environment, good for the soul. Well, on that note, I'm going to go home and take a bath in about 7 of these beauties. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comments what internships you want me to try next. See you guys. Bye.